Welcome to this tips and tricks and less talk SkyVac. I wanted to show you how to pair the SkyCam on the recordable monitor, the real-time monitor, and I wanted to show you a nifty little trick on the SurveyCam. So all the pricing can be seen at ionicsystems.com.au and more information on the main SkyVac site here in Australia, which is SkyVacAustralia.com.au. I'll turn the SurveyCam on. So I'll turn the monitor on at the top, we'll get the welcome screen. I'll turn the camera system on and give you a bit of a look around the warehouse in that particular frame. If we push and hold the N button, it'll turn the camera system off. So the camera has gone into sleep mode. It is still on and active with the monitor, but it allows remote on-off capability. We'll turn it back on and we're back up and in action. So that's a great little trick to know on the SurveyCam. In regards to the SkyCam, it does come in two configurations. The recordable has extra buttons on the front, micro SD, pictures and movies. The real-time camera is, as you see it, is what it is. So in relation to the camera itself and the monitor, if we needed to pair these two particular devices, we can turn the monitor on and we'll get a X as an exclamation mark. We can see monitor battery capability in this screen. Our camera will pop up in this screen. So when I turn, if I push and hold the center button and I turn the camera system on, we will enter a pairing mode. So we'll get a flashing LED green light, and it can often take a couple of attempts to actually pair the two, and it'll go through in relation to a pair. So we've paired successful on the first attempt. Often it can take a couple of attempts to pair. We can now see that we've got connectivity between the two. We've got connectivity indication at the top and camera battery indication and monitor battery indication in that screen there. So that's how we pair the real-time camera system. On the recordable camera, it's slightly different. We've got a few more buttons. We can turn the monitor on. If we push and hold the N button, we go into a different screen. So we can scroll down to the pair. I can hit the OK. I can scroll down, go OK, and turning the camera on, we get a flashing LED green light on the back. As I said, it can take a couple of attempts on an initial pair, depending on what frequencies are in the area. Pair failed. Scroll down, go again. Flashing LED green light. We'll wait for the connectivity between the two. Pair success. If we go back to the main screen, you can see we have connectivity there in regards to the monitor. Both these SurveyCams, the recordable and real-time, have got screen protectors on them at the moment out of the box. But that gives you a bit of an indication on how to pair the different devices. On the recordable, we have a menu. On the real-time, it's push and hold the N button, and a nifty little trick on the SurveyCam. Prices at ionicsystems.com.au. All the information, the Australian SkyVac site, which is SkyVacAustralia.com.au. Thanks for watching.